know, RJ, this is a family gift. So we got. Hey, wait a minute. Wait, we're gonna open this together. Come on, y'all. We're gonna open this together. Come on, Keith. See these? What are those?
Protective mask.
So, you know why we have these?
Why?
Because we are going to Vegas!
I get to see GiGi! Yes! I love it!
Oh gosh.
Is it tomorrow?
So it's not
No,
tomorrow.
no, I wish,
We're
no.
going Friday morning, okay? Early Friday morning. So guess what? Guess what? GiGi doesn't know. It's a surprise.
Hey, yo, that's good!
Nobody knows. So we can't
Nobody
tell
out there.
people.
Cousin Keon.
Keon doesn't know. Sybil doesn't know. Sanaya and KJ don't know. Thomas. So listen, it's gonna be a surprise. So you can't tell anybody, okay? You promise to keep it a secret?
Yes.
It's gonna be so fun to surprise GiGi, right? Yeah. You excited?
Yes. She's gonna be like bunkers.
We're going to Las Vegas!
Team Reese takes Vegas, baby!
Finally!
What are you thinking about our Vegas trip? You excited?
Yes. We get to hang out with the family members.
We do, yeah. We're gonna be there for 2 days, okay? Okay?
So tomorrow we're gonna need your help to pack.
Yes.
Okay?
Ah.
And then Friday when we say get up, you probably ain't gonna go to sleep on it.
Right. Listen, don't get on that phone and call GiGi and start talking to her about it, okay? It is a secret. It is a surprise. You cannot say anything, okay? You promise?
So I can't say we're going to Las Vegas?
No, you can't.
What if I can say, hello, I'm gonna go somewhere?
No, you can't say anything.
you can't say anything
You're
like
gonna give
that.
it away if you say anything.
See you guys real soon. We going to Vegas, baby. Team Reese takes Vegas.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
What's up, y'all? It's Kiki.
And Ray.
And RJ. And we are Team Reese, and we are in Las Vegas!
Woo-hoo!
Yes, finally, y'all. If you've been watching us for a minute, you know that we had a Vegas trip that was canceled right at the beginning of the vapors. The illness that shall remain nameless.
The vapors. That's
we
what
are
we call
finally in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're getting ready to go get something quick to eat, and then we're going to surprise Ray's mom. Ray's mom lives in Las Vegas. She has no idea that we're coming. We're getting ready to surprise her. So we're going to get the camera rolling when we do so that you guys can be a part of that. But for right now, we just chilling, going to get some food, and then we're going to catch up with her. So we'll be back.
Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
You really gonna get out of here? You gonna get out of here again, are you?
When everything's quiet, the rain is stillness fills
Surprise!
Look, she just dropped everything on the floor.
snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small.
RJ.
Am I dreaming? Like, please tell me I'm not dreaming.
Look at man so good.
Don't nobody know we here.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nobody. We pulled it off.
In 1 week. God
It ain't been a week.
Yeah,
We just booked it. Oh yeah, Friday. We booked Friday. So
We booked last Friday.
It's been a week.
I know y'all gotta be kidding me.
Oh my God, we pulled up at your apartment and your car wasn't there. We was like, oh my God, we gonna do it now. We was like, how we gonna find her?